I'll show you how to create a professional YouTube thumbnail in Photopea step by step. A great thumbnail can increase your click-through rate and help your videos get more views. First, open your browser and go to photopea.com. Click File ***, then New ***. Set the canvas size to *1280 x 720 pixels ***, which is YouTube's recommended thumbnail size with a 16:9 aspect ratio. Then click Create ***. Now, add a background to your thumbnail. You can use a solid color, a gradient, or import a photo by clicking ***File ***, then Open and place ***. Resize the image to fill the entire canvas. Next, use the *** text tool to add a short, eye-catching title. Keep the text large and easy to read, even on mobile devices. Choose bold fonts and use colors that stand out against the background. If you're creating a personal brand thumbnail, add a photo of yourself. Remove the background if needed, then position your image so it doesn't cover the text. You can also add shapes, arrows, icons, or other graphic elements to draw attention to important parts of the thumbnail. Use the **layers ** panel to organize your design and the Move tool * to align every element. If you want the text to stand out more, apply effects like **, stroke ***, drop shadow ***, or outer glow from the layer style options. Before exporting, zoom out and make sure your thumbnail looks clear and attractive at a smaller size. A clean layout with strong contrast usually performs better on YouTube. When you're finished, click ***, File ***, save as PSD** to keep an editable version. Then click ***, File ***, export as ***, choose **JPG** or PNG***, and click Save *** to download your thumbnail. That's how you can create a professional YouTube thumbnail in Photopea. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Photopea tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.